at Lynch Hall or Lakeview College of Osteopathic Health or something like that at Seton University in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This is an old Eastern elevator with EPCO from probably the 70s or 80s. It's the 70s. And on the ground, oh, it smells musty in here. Here you go. Seton Hill has a lot of vintage elevators. Here at ground. This isn't even the oldest one I found. Now those things light up. Two. Into your gut. Charcoal's in your first body like that. Eastern. Here are two. Go back down to one. Eastern elevator, non-ADA phone, basic yellow cab, probably original from when the elevator was installed. Here back at one. Part of the elevator smells like sunscreen. Or it may just be the musky smell. Kind of makes sense. Kind of sensors. Of course, not to be it.